Hello guys, what's happening? David here. Welcome to the channel. Today we have this old, rusted, weather worn out wind chime. It was a frog carrying a net with a little dragonfly on the top. So this video is going to be the refreshing, renewing, fixing this guy up to see how he can come out looking new. So if this is something you're interested, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get on to renewing this frog wind chime. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we're going to need to take some of this apart to see what we can fix up. Might be able to reuse this wood, maybe do a little sanding, painting. So let's get this unscrewed here, see if these rusted screws would still work. Yeah, I think so. Yep, this one's corroded. Let's see here. Alright, so I can't get that one out. Alright, so I took some pieces apart. Try not to break any more pieces. Got the screws off. Got the frog off by itself. So I'm going to try and sand this guy down. See if I can use them. I have some wood filler. And then I got to carve in some feet. So I have this piece right here that I'm going to carve a couple feet on. And then I have some new screws to put it back onto the lily pad, which I want to get that painted too. I want to paint this the best I can, cover up the strings and the chimes. Alright, so let's see if I can get this all repaired up and looking good. I got the Dremel set up. I'm going to put a sanding wheel on it, see if I can get this guy sanded up, and then paint and primered. Then I could put in his eyeballs. I thought it had some googly eyes, which would have been funny to put on there. I'm just not sure if I have any. Alright, going to get the sanding. Alright, so I have the sanding wheel. Go ahead and do a little nice sanding. Alright, see if I can get some wood filler. Right, this should dry real quick, and then I'll sand it down. Alrighty, so I covered up a lot of this places here with the painter's tape. This is gonna get spray painted green, probably some white primer. White primer this whole thing. Drew in the mouth, nose, eyes, little stomach area. So I'm gonna have that power carved, and I drew out the feet. I gotta power carve the feet. That was my mess up here. So I can power carve the feet, and then I can screw those on into there. So let me get to the power carving part, and then we'll start painting it up. Alright, so we have the cut saw roto saw, the extreme. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out that feet, start shaping them in. Then I'll go on to the cut saw fine burr and start carving out the frog here. All right. Alright guys, now I'm going to paint with the primer and paint white. Got it all set up out here. Alright, so I'll flip them over, get it all over, and I'll be right back. So this guy is drying up. Then I'm going to do some acrylic painting in some greens and reds. So I'm going to get all that painted up, and I'll come back when everything is all dried so we can all put it back together. I'll catch you on the other side when this guy will be all painted. Here's the lily pad, the leaves and the flower. I'm doing the feet right now. Here's the net pole with the arms and the dragonfly. And then I have a little flower there. It's like a cloth flower. So now I'm going to paint up the frog. So let's get that done. Alright, so Mr. Froggy here is getting some retouched paint. Just letting that dry. Let me go ahead and start taking all this tape off and paper. So that's how that's looking. Of course. String broke. So let me see if I have any other string. Alright, so I got this cord here. Just going to use that. I tied it onto this here. Heat it up with a lighter. Just mend together. Right, so I'm using this little mesh piece I cut out to put on around this metal pole as a net. So I'm using some store-bought CA glue. So using the store-bought, it's kind of finicky. You don't want to glue your fingers. Alright. Okay. So just working it around. It's pretty cool. So I'll fold these in, then I'll punch this in here. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the net in there. There we go. Not too bad. So let's finish painting and then we'll put this all together. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this cord is drying from the green paint. I'm going to get this guy's arms on. Let's see. Let's put those right in there. Put in some CA glue in there. Okay. Let's put that in there. This other side. How's he looking so far? Pretty good. I'll have to put some black on his eyeballs. Screw in his feet just a little bit. I gotta put a, let's see. Let's get this little nail. Alright, do it to the other one. Let's screw it in. Just like that. I got one foot. Let's get the other one on. There he is. Little feet. Alright, so let's get his little head on here. Let's get that in there. Alright. I'm gonna get this swivel hook. Hook that on there. That. Alright. Let's get some black in there for his eyeballs. And his mouth and the nose, nostrils. Be very delicate with it. A little dab with the skinny brush. Gonna use the back end here. Just get a little tap. Alright. And then gently make a duct. Alright. How's that look? See if we can get his nostril. Alrighty. So what we have to do now is screw them on to the lily pad. I've got these screws here. Alright. So I marked it down there. Alright, let's see if this is gonna work. Get the screwdriver and screw it on. There we got. Let's see, do we want to use this here? Alright, here he is. Good as new. Add this guy on here. Alright, now I want to finish it with some spar urethane. Good for the exterior outdoors. So let's get this sprayed on. Here he is, the frog wind chime. All completed, painted. Got some feet on here. All looking nice. So let's go and hang it up outside. Alrighty, here he is. Dangling in the wind. So this was a real fun project to bring something old back to life. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll catch you later.